Gets better with age for Young Catequista. You can see that pass, the maestro of assists. That was a thing of beauty there. So our score 60-55 with 3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining here. Ito si Young Catequista kapag sasabi ng kapoy eh.
Oh, good double teaming defense that time.
Tumatakbo pa rin talaga siya as Young Catequista. Nice pass to Custodio.
Doing everything right here for Malolos Republic. Coach Young Catequista not only scoring but also dishing out some great passes.
Setting Young Catequista!
Wow. Dito napaka-patient. Same with Malolos Republic.
What a pass from Young Catequista!
Talagang tumatakbo sila pag kinakailangan. As we take a look at that good pass dito para kay Coach Young Catequista, para kay Cyrus Paul Valenzuela.
Resulting to our lakas play of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng J Project Loading Shop, the official outfitter of Sinag Liga Asia. As you can see, dito na si Coach Young Catequista. Checks in the ball game. Let's see kung maririnig natin yung favorite word niya. Yung kapoy. Yung kapoy.
Pero feeling ko nag-adjust na to. Pinakitaan niya tayo dito ng opening game. No?
Kita-kita yung mga dribbling moves. He just shows na yung mga training camps na ginagawa niya na pinapost on social media is ginagawa niya rin talaga. Kasi kung ano yung mga nasa training, yung mga behind the scenes, makikita mo yun sa actual game. And during the first game, nakita-kita na yung mga moves niya.
Kita mo yung mga perimeter jumper, yung mga handles niya. I'm sure yung mga students niya, lalong na-inspire lalong gaganahan At mag-benefit dyan yung camp niya.
Yes, and yun nga look at that, great defense.
Di lang pumasok.
May Malolos Republic. Going back doon kay Coach Young Catequista, he has the ball now. Tumatakbo yung mga students ni Coach Young, ha?
Totoo. Lalo na nung napanood yung laro niya. And Coach Young Catequista scored 12 points. So, isa rin siya doon sa 4 na players na sinasabi ko na we scored ng double figures sa Malolos Republic. And look at this. Virgilio Catequista or Coach Young Catequista, look at his numbers. 12 points, 5 rebounds, and 1 assist. At yung numbers niyan, sabi niya sa'yo, Rowie, kapoy daw.
Kapoy pa daw yun.
Kapoy pa yan.
Sabi niya pa, paano pa kaya kung hindi kapoy yan? That was his last performance against Mapua 5-2-1 trading, ha?
Yeah. So, steady performance by Coach Young Catequista. Ayan ang mga hinahanap ni Coach Young Catequista. Makita lang ng onting space sa driving lane niya, aatakin niya agad yun. At offensive threats ni Coach Anthony Tayaw.
So right now, kita-kita si Young Catequista will shoot.
20 years ago, pinapanood na nila yan. But again, it's nice to see them play one more time and cheering for them again.
So they're at 97.9 home radio.
Yes, and sabi mo nga kanina, Battle of the North and South. Pagdating naman sa North, TPN yan yung media partner natin, TPN, which is yung talaga yung coverage nila. Napapanood tayo sa Norte. Takjel dito, 3 na lamang nila. And they are hounding Coach Young Catequista.
Kita mo parang ginawa niyang practice coach yung mga players. Zigzagging his way through. Ito si Coach Young Catequista.
Alam mo, nasa drills lang Pushing the board, even though they're undersized.
As Young Catequista, 6 in the first. Ito, lamang natatak Joel Binya dito ng 2 points. As you can see, head coach Anthony Tayaw of Malolos Republic. Now, the generation.
Grabe itong mga players natin dito. Hindi
Yes, and as you can see, head coach Young Catequista again is at the line. Shooting 2 shots. 6 in the first. Isa to sa mga tinuturo ni Coach Young Catequista sa mga bata niya dun sa sports clinic. Yung mga free throws rin Aside sa mga basic fundamentals, sa body control, sa dribbling moves, at sa basketball IQ, isa sa pinaka-importante is free throws. Kasi imagine mo, this is a close ball game. If this happens or if this will carry over sa 4th quarter natin, usapang free throws na yung Coach Pacho.
Exactly. Baka yun pa yung mag-matter dun sa close, sa end game, sa free throws. Solid second game that we have here. Malolos Republic defeating the Tatak Jelbinya 92-83. And later on, makikita natin yung nag-player na nag-standout.
Yes, a 9-point win for Malolos Republic. Our final score, 92-83 for Malolos Republic. Pero sino nga ba ang ating best player of the game? Let's turn over to our courtside reporter, Sarah Turgeman. Sarah, take it away.
And we're here powered by J Project. From Malolos Republic, Coach Young Catequista, 24 points, 6 assists, 2 rebounds, and 3 steals. Congratulations, Coach. Coach, talagang sinigurado nyong mauuwi nyo ang panalo ngayong araw na to. Coach, ano bang naging inspirasyon mo sa laro ngayong gabi?
Yung nga, natalo kami ng sa first game namin na laro, natalo kami. So, nag-training lang kami. In the same time, pinag-aralan namin yung mga mali na dapat namin gawin tama sa next game for today. So, thank you Lord na nakuha namin yung panalo for today. In the same time, lahat kami nag-effort para na makuha yung panalo for this game.
Coach, baka gusto mong batiin at pasalamatan lahat ng sumusuporta sa Sinag Lakas 40 at also sa Malolos Republic.
Okay, would like to greet sa lahat ng mga players na naglalaro ngayon na katulad ko na nasa 40 above na. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. At the same time, enjoy lang natin yung time na kaya pa natin maglaro. Kasi pag hindi natin kaya, so titigil na tayo. At the same time, guys, nagpapasalamat po pala ako kay Mayor Chris Natividad sa Mayor po ng Malolos at laging sumusuporta sa team ng Malolos. At the same time, sa pamilya ko dyan sa Iloilo, sa mama ko, sa mga bugto ko, at the same time sa mga bata kong gampang magsubong sa palarong pambansa, si Trish, Nicole, si Mia. At the same time, thank you po sa Sinag Liga Asia sa opportunity na binigay po sa amin.
Thank you so much. Coach Yong Katikista from Malolos Republic, our best player of the game. Back to you, Rowie and Coach Pancho.